I did that again. Now we're back at this house. Wait, let me just... Okay, but we're building another house. We're building our house again. Guys, we're building our house again. Look how cool it is. Oh. Sturdy, so sturdy. Oops. Koopa Troopa, don't come over here. Koopa Troopa, just make sure you don't come over here. Well, hopefully Koopa Troopa doesn't come over here, because I definitely didn't break the wall. He'll never know. Okay, so I'm gonna go get a car. Hey, Koopa Troopa, I definitely didn't break the wall.
Yeah, you did.
Yes, ma'am. We brought Mr. Puppy with. Okay, so what should we do? I play Minecraft. Oh, my phone's dead. Oh yeah, we're building a house. I forgot all about that. Yeah, Koopa Troopa is drinking some water, I guess. Look at those things over there. Maybe in a video we can do some violent stuff and destroy stuff with guns. Okay, maybe we shouldn't do that. That's really crazy. I'll fix the wall. I don't think we have enough Legos to finish the house. We just have to use squares. Square.
I'm back. I just got back from drinking water because I was coughing a lot.
Yeah, well, we have to put squares on here now.
Okay. What were you telling me to this?
I was just running around being crazy, and I did dash cam because dash cam's cool.
It sounds satisfying when you do it on the car.
Oh yeah, it's so satisfying to watch our videos when we do it with the car. It's so satisfying. Wait a second. We forgot to put the doorbell on.
I guess I have to destroy it right there.
Okay. Destruction time. Not the whole house. I'm just gonna do it off camera. Okay, guys, we finished the house. Wait, there's a doorbell. I'm gonna ring it. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong.
Oh, Yoshi, I just saw a puppy over here, but I wasn't filming the puppy.
Oh, yeah, we brought the puppy with too. We brought that puppy with, but like it's one of the twin puppies.
No, I'm not talking about that twin puppy, like one that's like walking around.
That's creepy. But anyways, we're gonna end the video here. Make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to comment down below what we should do, because we don't have many ideas.
Yeah.